Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view blocked accounts in Threads, and now let's dive right in. Now to view the blocked accounts in your Threads app, first open up your Threads app on your phone as I've already opened it. And after opening your Threads app, guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Threads. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and to land over here, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's a two-line icon available for us on this interface. Tap on the two-line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here where you can see the privacy option available for us just below the archive or just above the accessibility. Tap on the privacy button over here, and you land over here where you can see the blocked profiles option available for us just below the other privacy settings over here. Tap on block profiles over here, and it will load up the Instagram app to which the Threads app is connected, and all of your blocked accounts which you have blocked previously in Threads or Instagram will be available over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view blocked profiles in Threads app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.